Let's talk about vitamin K. You probably know it for one thing, but that's just the start of the story. Seriously, its story is so much bigger than you might think.
For the longest time, we thought it was just about blood clotting, but now it's all about bone strength and heart health too.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. It was first found back in the 30s as the coagulation vitamin. And its classic job, the one we all know, is switching on the proteins that help stop bleeding. But here's the plot twist. It's also the body's calcium cop, telling that mineral exactly where to go. So how does it do that? Through something called carboxylation. Think of it as an on switch for a ton of proteins. So you've got this inactive protein just hanging out. Vitamin K comes along, flips the switch, and boom, it's activated.
And get this, it's not just one vitamin. K1 handles the liver, while the long-lasting K2 works everywhere else.
So what's one of K2's main gigs? Building stronger bones by, you guessed it, managing calcium.
It fires up a protein called osteocalcin. That's what literally cements calcium right into your bone matrix.
And the impact? It's huge. One big analysis found that K2 supplements seriously cut down on fractures. But to be fair, we have to mention that other big trials have shown more mixed results on this.
Okay, moving on from bones, vitamin K is also a major player in protecting your arteries.
How? By activating a protein called MGP. It's your body's #1 defense against artery calcification.
The bottom line is, this process helps keep your arteries flexible and clear of mineral buildup.
Which brings up a really important question. With all these jobs to do, are any of us actually getting enough? Well, one huge study found that almost a third of the general population might not be getting enough to function optimally. And for high-risk groups, that number jumps to about 50% for the elderly or those with chronic diseases. So where do you get it? K1 comes from leafy greens. For K2, think fermented foods like natto or even hard cheeses. All of this new science brings us to one final really big question about our official health guidelines. You see, the current recommendations, the official RDA, are set at these levels for men and women. But here's the thing, those numbers are based almost entirely on what the liver needs just for blood clotting. So that leaves us with this final thought. Is the amount for clotting really enough for your bones and heart?